We're gonna talk about our pre-production checklist. Now this is helpful because we can take everything we've learned in pre-production and now go over it all in a kind of a succinct, quick way to make sure that we're hitting all the elements that we need. You can download this PDF on our download section. We like to use Google Docs because it's an easy way to collaborate. Phil or Sam can both be joined on through their own account, as you see here up in the top, and it's a really great way to collaborate and make sure you're all on the same page. Let's dive in with a project that we're already working on. Phil, Sam, and I all have a channel online on YouTube called Video School Online Tech, where we review different tech gear.
So we have a concept for this next video, and we're going to be doing a VSO Tech channel video next week, and so we're just going to go over the basics of that video. Next week we're doing the X-T2 4K footage review. The budget, we're doing this all sort of for ourselves, and so there really is no budget. We own most of our equipment at this point, so we're able to use all that, other than maybe buying lunch for us.
Lunch? So, I don't know, what's lunch cost?
We might lose a couple bucks.
20 bucks?
20 bucks, sure.
Okay,
yeah.
$20 lunch. Schedule-wise, when are you thinking about shooting this?
Tuesday's probably best for me.
Can't do Monday?
No, I'm supposed to be editing.
Okay, so Monday might be good because we can prep on Monday whatever we need to do.
Yeah. I'll be in the office, so.
I'd love to get it out by next Friday, so we can just, I guess, edit or Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll download all the footage Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, get into all that.
Okay, this is a great way to plan because I know we want to distribute this, we want to go live with this video on Friday. It's great that we have this plan out so that we know that we can just get everything done and shoot. It's also easier to prep on a Monday if we're like working, that way you can leave your Saturday and Sunday free. We've also shot most of our videos in our office, so we should continue to do that.
Yep.
That's really easy to do, easy to light. So because we're shooting in the office, what equipment did we end up saying that we need normally for that?
Probably bring the LED light mats, bring the F5 as our main camera.
Okay.
We'll need the X-T2 obviously to review that.
That's like a prop.
Yeah, it's a prop, really.
So equipment's a good time to not only talk about stuff you need if you're doing a tech channel, you might also review channel, you might need to use that equipment as well.
And the shotgun mic's been working really well.
I dig the shotgun mic. So shotgun mic, we could use our labs potentially. I'll just put it on there so we have them.
We'll have them, yeah.
For us, all our equipment is in our place that we shoot, which is really helpful, but it's always good to go over this stuff because you never know what you're gonna forget, what you've lent to friends, what you've used somewhere else. Just checklist.
And this really is on that Monday prep, going to equipment, going through all the items that we said we needed, building the camera, making sure the lights are working so that come Tuesday when we're actually shooting, we're not missing something. And this is really important, especially if you had a client or someone and you go into the shoot and all of a sudden something's not working. Well, had you prepped, you would know what you were missing in advance.
Great, so that's our schedule. Equipment post-production, we're going to edit it in the office, right? Editor is you or me?
You.
Okay.
Your camera.
As far as post-production, do we have hard drives for that? We want to make sure to drive it and back it up, right?
Yeah.
So we just need to make sure that we have those clean and clear.
Yep. Distribution, it's going on the VSO Tech channel on YouTube, so.
Yeah, I think once it gets into Phil's hands, he'll post it on our channel. So that's a very quick pre-production checklist go over with Sam and I. I think we would actually probably sit and go over stuff even in more detail. The big thing for you is to take this PDF and kind of go over it several times in the week or so before your shoot so that you know you're to the T and you've got everything ready to go and you're not missing anything while you're shooting or even in post-production.
You can go over this list 100 times and each time you'll think of something new you should be doing, but
totally.
Do it a few times before you actually get into your production.